Struggling to concentrate during prayer is very common even for practicing Muslims. You're not alone in this, and it doesn't mean your faith is weak. There are spiritual, mental, and environmental reasons behind this. Here's a breakdown of why you might be struggling. Mental distractions. Overthinking, worries about life, work, family, or the future often pop up during Salah. Phone addiction, constant exposure to short content, TikTok, Reels, etc., lowers your attention span. Mind is too busy, your brain doesn't slow down easily if it's always in scrolling or rushing mode. 2. External distractions. Noisy environment, phones ringing, people talking, etc. Uncomfortable space, too hot, cold, or cluttered. Praying in a rush, trying to fit prayer quickly between tasks. 3. Weak connection with the meaning. Not understanding the Arabic, if you don't know what you're saying, your mind checks out. Lack of reflection, not thinking deeply about Allah's presence or your relationship with Him. 4. Shaitan's whispers, waswasa. Shaitan tries extra hard to distract us during Salah because it's a powerful spiritual weapon. Prophet Muhammad said, "When the call to prayer is given, Shaitan runs away, but when the prayer begins, he comes back and tries to confuse the person." Bukhari and Muslim. 5. Lack of preparation. Jumping straight into prayer from TV, scrolling, or stress without mentally preparing for worship makes it harder to focus. Imagine entering a royal court, you wouldn't barge in, you'd prepare your mind and posture. Tips to improve focus in prayer. Learn the meaning of what you're reciting. Make wudu calmly, with intention to clear your mind. Take 10 to 20 seconds before takbir to pause and remind yourself, I'm now standing before Allah. Change your environment, pray in a quiet, clean, dedicated space. Close your eyes if it helps, or look only at the place of sujud. Pray slowly, don't rush through it. Make dua after Salah to ask Allah to help you focus better.